DJI has long been a leader in drone technology, and 2025 brings a fresh lineup of powerful drones catering to a variety of needs. Whether you're a professional videographer or a beginner on a budget, there's something for everyone. Here's our take on the top 5 DJI drones of 2025. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro Best Drone Overall. The DJI Mini 4 Pro shines as the best overall drone in 2025. With its compact design, it packs impressive features such as 4K video, long flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. The improved flight stability and smart features make it a must-buy for those seeking a high-performing yet portable drone. Why buy it? If you're looking for a well-rounded top-tier drone, the Mini 4 Pro offers premium features without breaking the bank. It's an ideal balance of performance and price. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE Best Budget Drone. The DJI Mini 2 SE is the best choice for those looking for an affordable drone without compromising too much on quality. Offering up to 2.7K video resolution and a 10-kilometer transmission range, this drone is perfect for beginners. Its affordability, lightweight design, and decent flight time make it a solid choice for casual users or hobbyists on a budget. Why buy it? For beginners or those on a tight budget, the Mini 2 SE is an excellent entry-level drone that provides good value for its price. Number 3. DJI Air 3 Best Obstacle Avoidance System. With the DJI Air 3, you're getting the best obstacle avoidance technology in the market. It features sensors that allow it to detect obstacles in every direction, making it safer and easier to fly in complex environments. Additionally, it offers excellent video quality, making it suitable for both intermediate and advanced users. Why buy it? The Air 3 is perfect if safety and intelligent flight features are your top priorities. It's designed for those who want peace of mind while capturing footage in tricky landscapes. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Best Drone for Pro Video and Cinema. For professional filmmakers and content creators, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate tool. With its exceptional 5.1K video capabilities, large sensor, and long battery life, this drone is designed for top-tier cinematic production. It's the most advanced drone in DJI's lineup, offering unrivaled image quality and precision. Why buy it? If you're serious about professional video production, the Mavic 3 Pro is worth the investment. It offers stunning visuals and the tools to capture cinematic-grade footage. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Most Affordable Drone for Vertical Video. The DJI Mini 3 is the go-to choice for social media enthusiasts. It's one of the most affordable drones specifically designed for vertical video, making it perfect for Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms. It features a 4K video and is highly portable, making it a favorite for influencers and travelers alike. Why buy it? For content creators focusing on social media, the Mini 3 is an affordable option that still delivers quality video with vertical capabilities.